It was a rainy night in Mumbai. Vikram Sharma was returning home late from his office. He was driving, but his mind was elsewhere. For the past week, something strange had been happening. Every night, at exactly 12:30 a.m., he would receive a call from an unknown number. No one spoke. He could only hear someone breathing heavily on the other end. His wife Neha had told him several times to inform the police, but Vikram had brushed it off as a prank. That night again, 12:30 a.m., the phone rang. Angrily, Vikram answered. "Who is this? Why won't you speak?" This time, a faint female voice responded. "Your truth can't stay hidden forever." Vikram was stunned. He pulled his car over and tried to trace the number. But it was a burner phone with a fake SIM. The next morning, he received an MMS from the same number. It was a photo of his old house, the one he had sold before his marriage. Fear crept in. Without telling Neha, Vikram contacted ACP Deshmukh from the crime branch. Deshmukh tried to trace the number, and what they discovered was even more shocking. The last known location of the number was Vikram's current home. Vikram panicked. How is this even possible? Deshmukh immediately arrived at Vikram's house. They searched the entire place but found nothing suspicious. Then, in an old storeroom cupboard, they discovered an old mobile phone with the same number. The last recorded voice message on that phone was in Vikram's own voice. "If anyone finds out, it will be over. I'll have to kill her." Neha was standing nearby. Tears filled her eyes. "You lied to me, Vikram. You killed your ex-girlfriend Riya and hid the evidence." The truth was finally out. Riya had been reported missing 2 years ago, but no leads had ever surfaced. Now everything was clear. Vikram was arrested. But ACP Deshmukh was still troubled by one question. If Riya is dead, then who has been making the calls every night? The next night, 12:30 a.m. Again, the phone rang. Deshmukh himself answered. On the other end, that same chilling voice. "Now it's your turn. The truth will come out." But the mystery continues.